Hello to you, my precious nail lovers. You're welcome back to Nail Vibes, the channel that gives you nothing but the very best in nails fashion. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending from where and when you are seeing this video. In case you're seeing my videos on my channel for the very first time, please do support my channel by subscribing to this channel. And as you do, turn on bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. So ladies, watching this video, you see that I have the best and classic acrylic nail arts for you to watch and make your selections from. These nails look so good and gorgeous. They come in different colors, different shapes and designs. So watch to the end and pick your best lights. And as you watch, kindly do support my channel by liking this video, okay? Like the video and feel free to share it to your friends and your loved ones, and you can also save it for a later use. I also say a very big thank you to my returning viewers who are always watching and engaging in my videos. Trust me guys, your effort on my channel is never taken for granted. You guys are so much appreciated. So at the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my videos or my channel in general. And in case this is not really what you want, you can go down to my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types. Thank you guys so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.